that is not added previously. So now currently you can see, fortunately, we are 2.3 million worldwide, and top country will be still America, I think, 699. That is correct. So China, so where it started, still 83,000. So with my tool, it's just basically, if you want to go back in history, which country has like the worst numbers before in February, you can see that highlights. Also per continent, how it changes. Daily status trend, you can see it. So there's a peak there. Hopefully we're reaching our peak right now. We're trying to stabilize numbers. So the daily status trend, a percent change from yesterday, from April 16. We're still getting quite a big number, quite change, but it's not compared to the early onset when on the March 25th. There's a big percentage change. Anyway, going to the second dashboard. Oh, by the way, I had this two navigation buttons over here. I would like to demonstrate that on the finished product later. I'll show it to you. The next dashboard, it is per country. Basically, it's a per country analysis. So you just have to select. If you want to go to Asia, basically Asia doesn't include US. So if you want, you can choose Indonesia. What's happening there? Just have to forward so you can see April 17th status is 5,900 infected. So here it automatically adjusts. So I think they're still getting a lot of numbers, but compared to the other day, 380, and now yesterday it's 407. So it's still growing. Numbers still really jumping in Indonesia. And in the regions, for comparison, regional status. So in Asia, this automatically updates once you change this one over here. So you can see China is still the top country as infected, Iran, Turkey. So you can compare the country that you are looking for. And then we go forward to the forecast and analysis. Basically, this feature is just still learning. They had a good, really excellent analysis tool over here, but I think if you want to create your more comprehensive one, you can create it. So basically, this one is built in. I just adjusted it into a more lower projection. So you can see I named it an outlook, lower forecast. So amazingly, we're forecasting that by July 12, our numbers will still be growing. This is for US, so it could be 2 million in the US. That's a conservative lower forecast, because this forecast basically adjusts to how the previous performance, like previous days. That's how the forecasting tool here in Tableau. But I think you can create another field where you have a forecast that basically you can create your own much more comprehensive one. But I just tried to use this one for more just to show you how the tool can work for you. So I had a confirmed cases as well here, just to do a basic analysis so we can change. For example, we were looking at Indonesia, so let's try to forecast how Indonesia will be in the next on July 12. So they will be growing. Hopefully the trend in their country changes. So you see, this is a recovered projection. Hopefully we're trying to project a much more better number than this one. All right, so think that's it. Basically, I have three dashboard buttons for each of it. And how does it look on a finished product? So yeah, let's just try to save it. Automatically goes to Tableau Public, saves the views. I had a lot of views already since I finished this, and basically I shared the link to my loved ones where they can follow what's the world numbers are, what's happening to the world. So that's it. That's my finished product. That's me. So I have 77 views already. So yeah. Oh, the navigation buttons is just for the show. That's it. I still have to make some more adjustments with this one, but I think as a newbie, this one is really a good tool to use. Really, this is one of I think one of the best. So I think that's it for my project. With the tool, with regards to Tableau Public, I used Tableau Public, let's say 3 weeks now, and this is my outcome. Basically, they have different functions. It's very easy to use because your data, you just have to load it here. Tableau Public really likes let's say, not unpivoted data. So if you are eyeing to like create joins here, I don't suggest it. Because with my experience, I tried to make joins here in Tableau Public, but it hang on me or it lagged. I don't know, maybe it's my laptop, but basically you just want to bring in your data clean. That's it. Because Tableau Public is really good tool when it aggregates your files, creates very good analysis. Their charts are really good. Here you go, different kinds. In the span of 3 weeks, I was able to fully understand how it works a bit, I think, and that's it. I run into several problems when it comes to you cannot make a which one is that? I think it's per country. Oh yeah, this one. I tried to do an analysis. I tried to stick with a population number, the percentage of it. We were suggested to use it per 100,000, but I don't know. I tried to stick with 0.0022% of the population infected. For me, it's more accurate. That's just me. But I got run into a problem here trying to do a percentage of the value versus the population, because the population is an aggregated value or an aggregated field. So, but it was a quick fix. I just tried to look on videos online, Tableau Public help. I was able to set the formula for it. That's basically it. If you understand, basically, if you're previously working professionally, you know the numbers. You look at this as you fully understand the business. This tool is a good visualization tool. It's also you can also do the data loading here. I think if you bought the full license, this will be a much more functional tool. So that's it. That's my review, and thank you guys. I will see you on the next video that I will make. This is my journey, and my journey is taking me in different parts of the world. And now I'm advancing in the IT and business intelligence and data analytics field. Well, hopefully I could add more to my career. So that's it. Have a great day, and stay safe, stay healthy, because current situation. Hopefully in my next video we're talking about the restoration of the world and how the data will affect it. That's it. Thank you.